My dear friends, let's understand which of the two sentences sounds good, sounds better. To live, eat, or eat to live. Let me tell you, there are two phrases, two clauses, to live and eat. You should prefer the shorter one first, then the longer one should be used. So, eat is the shorter one and to live is the longer one. So put eat first, then the longer one to live. So the better one is eat to live. Let's conclude the video with one more pair of sentences. To learn English, study and practice it for 5 to 6 hours a day. And the second sentence is study and practice English for 5 to 6 hours a day to learn English. There are two clauses in each of these sentences: to learn English and study and practice it for 5 to 6 hours a day. These are two phrases, two clauses. Out of these, the shorter one is to learn English. So put to learn English first and then study and practice it for 5 to 6 hours a day. When you use the first sentence, the listener understands you clearly. But when you use the second one, the listener might get confused. So the reason why the first sentence sounds more natural, why the listener understands you more easily when you use the first sentence, is that to learn English has a direct connection with the study and practice, and they are close, they are next to one another. So it's easy for the listener to understand the context. But when you use the second one, study and practice has direct connection to learn English, which is at the end of the sentence, and study and practice is followed by so many words, for example English for 5 to 6 hours a day, and which can create a confusion. The listener might forget the beginning of the sentence and he might fail to link the beginning to the end of the sentence. So he might get confused, he might not be able to understand you properly. So I would recommend you use the first one. Okay, but here there is a note. Notice that in the first sentence we are putting emphasis on the phrase to learn English, but when we use the second sentence, to learn English is not emphasized. There is no focus on the to learn English phrase, but in the first sentence to learn English is emphasized. And if you think the video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.